We are going to need a canned drink, around 1/4 liter, and a piece of paper fixed on the surface. Now, let's start adjusting the wheel tightness on the tripod wheels. As you can see, this part is quite loose. The wheel rotation is also quite loose. We're going to tighten them by adjusting these points right here. Take a 2.5mm Allen key and tighten this up a bit. Tighten it just enough so the wheel doesn't drop under its own weight. Looks good. Now, let's do a load test. Place the drink can on the wheel and make sure it's tightened just enough to support the weight. Perfect! You've now reached our recommended tightness setting. However, you can always make it looser or tighter depending on your needs. Now, let's adjust the rotation tightness of the wheel. We're going to push the wheel across a piece of paper. Make sure the other two wheels aren't touching the ground. If the wheel spins, it's too loose and we need to tighten it. Let's repeat the test and see if the wheel spins. If it does, that means we need to tighten it a bit more. The wheel is no longer spinning on the paper. Instead, it's sliding or skidding. This is our recommended tightness.